Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a list in HubSpot. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for HubSpot. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. You will then be redirected to the home page. Now, go to the left side of the screen and a menu will open up. Inside this menu, access the CRM tab and select the List feature. After that, click on the Create List button at the top right corner and you will see a bunch of options to choose from. Select the first one, which will allow you to create a new list. Next, enter the name and description of your list. This step is important because it helps you and your team understand the purpose of the list later on. You will then have the option to create either a static list or an active list. A static list is a fixed group of contacts, while an active list automatically updates based on certain criteria you set. After choosing the type of list, click on the next button at the top right corner. You will now be asked to add a filter. This filter determines which contacts will be included in your list. For example, you might filter by contacts who have filled out a specific form or who live in a certain region. Once you have set your filter, all of the contacts that match your criteria will be displayed. Review the list to make sure it includes the right contacts. If everything looks good, click on the Save button. So that's basically how you can create a list in HubSpot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.